Walk around there, so I'm going to probably come right past you there, Larry. We're rolling, are we?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Anyway, hi, it's Rich Bennett from the Ontario Regiment Museum again, and we're back at our Leopard 1 pack. So today's task is we're going to do a test run and a leak check. We've replaced all the fuel lines, a bunch of O-rings on our fuel injector pump, and now we're looking for leaks, and hopefully everything goes well, and we'll be looking forward to putting our engine back in. So I'm going to take a quick walk around the engine here and show you some of the stuff that we've connected, and we'll go from there. So, as you can see, walking around the engine, the pack is still on the floor. These here are lines that supply our braking system, so we can check the braking system for leaks, because it runs off a pump on the transmission, so we can double check that while it's out. Coming around the engine, we've got a number of umbilicals that are connected. This nice frame here is the number of wires that it actually takes to power this engine. So in terms of battery, starter, charging, all the instrumentation that's on the engine, it all gets hooked back into the bulkhead on the tank through these cables. So these cables allow us to run the tank and run the engine from it remotely. We still have to have a driver in the driver's compartment who's operating the electrical controls, but I control the throttle and I can control the transmission from these controls here. Now, the whole basis for doing this job was to replace some O-rings in our fuel injector unit, which hopefully we don't have any leaks, because if it is leaking, we have to delve a little bit further into it. There's some sealing discs that may or may not have to be replaced, but we're gonna try and see how far we get with that. Other lines on the machine here, just the fuel lines that run from the fuel pump inside the tank, and that's what gives us all the capability to run it. So, barring any faults and barring any leaks, we're going to go for a test run. Two big long ones. Yeah, the one goes into the top right there, that fitting I've had loose. The other long one goes into the bottom of the fuel pump. Yeah, the one on this side of the fuel pump, that one goes to the bulkhead wall. I've had the one that's on top at number basically 11 o'clock off, goes to the tank. I've had that bottom tank one off, and the one going this way. And then one more that goes to, yeah. That's all the lines I'm pretty sure I had off. Okay. But have a good look around. Yep. Okay, so he's got earmuffs. You're good. You're good, Chris? Okay, Larry. Okay, try her again. I got a leak in line.
This one that's finger tight.
Yeah, I didn't tighten them all the way up, just in case. I must not have got them as tight as they can go.
Double your when you're done.
Rich. So what we're doing here is just rechecking our fuel lines. They seem to me not as tight as they could be. It's still loose. engine running. These are the leaks where the fuel lines go in. That's where it's leaking from the net. These are your intake and exhaust valves.